Ahipa, also called the Andean yam bean, is a lesser-known root vegetable gaining attention for its health benefits. But is it a good choice for diabetics? Let's uncover the facts. Ahipa is a leguminous root native to South America, similar to jicama, but with its unique nutritional profile. Known for its mild sweetness and crisp texture, it's a traditional staple in Andean diets. But what's inside this humble root that makes it special for diabetics? Let's look at Ahipa's nutritional profile. 1. Low in calories and fats. 2. High in dietary fiber, particularly inulin, a prebiotic fiber. 3. Contains vitamin C, potassium, and essential amino acids. And it has a low glycemic index, making it a diabetes-friendly option. The key reasons why Ahipa can benefit diabetics are: 1. Low glycemic index. Ahipa releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream, preventing spikes. 2. High fiber content. Its inulin fiber improves gut health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Low carb and natural sweetness. It satisfies cravings without significantly impacting blood glucose. Studies suggest that inulin fiber enhances insulin sensitivity and supports better glucose metabolism, making Ahipa an excellent addition to a diabetic diet. Here are some delicious ways to enjoy Ahipa. Eat it raw in salads for a refreshing crunch. Slice it into sticks for a low-calorie snack. Add it to soup, stews, or stir-fries for texture. Blend it into smoothies or dips for a natural sweetener. It's versatile, easy to prepare, and works well in many recipes. While Ahipa is packed with health benefits, remember to enjoy it in moderation. Overeating, even healthy foods, can disrupt blood sugar balance. And as with all legumes, make sure it's fully cooked to avoid digestive issue. Ahipa is a fantastic option for diabetics, offering both fiber and hydration. It's a natural way to manage blood sugar levels while supporting overall health. But always consult your healthcare provider before introducing new foods into your diet. So, is Ahipa good for diabetics? Absolutely. Its low glycemic index, high fiber content, and natural sweetness make it a healthy, diabetes-friendly choice. Have you tried Ahipa yet? Share your favorite recipes or thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes.